Are you stuck in a great idea but unsure on how to make it happen? You are not alone. See, many believes that turning an idea into reality is only for the talented or the lucky ones. But the reality, it's accessible to everyone. What you really need is to understand the psychology of validating your ideas. This way, when you launch, you will be confident in its success. Now, here are the 4 best ways to validate your business, and I guarantee you that if you follow these steps, you will move forward with confidence. Part 1. If your ideas doesn't fix a real issue, it could end up being a waste of time. Then set a goal and a guess on how you're going to solve that problem. And after that, do some market research to see if your idea really works. Here's an example. Your friend is struggling with a heavy packback. Now your goal is to make that packback lighter. And your guess would be if adding wheels to the packback will help solve the problem. Now you need to check with other people if they're also facing the same problem. This research will help you determine if your idea is really a need or if someone else already addressed it. Part 2, you need to communicate why your product or your idea is unique. What makes it stand out from the others? And that could be just creating a wheeled backpack. And before you go all in, create a simple version of your idea or your product to allow you to test it without spending too much money or time on it. Then you need to gather feedback from your friends or potential customers about your idea or product. Their insight will help you refine your idea. Part 3. Now it's time to see if your guess or your assumption is true. Let's let your friends try out the packback and hear their thoughts. And after your friends test it, you need to carefully listen to their feedback. This will guide you on what works and what doesn't. And if your friends or your potential customers aren't thrilled about your idea or your product, maybe it's time to pivot. And part 4, we need to define what success looks like. Is it when you sold 10 of that product? Setting these goals will help you know when you made it and you expand from there. And finally, make sure you maintain connection with those who helped you. Their supports and feedback are not only invaluable, but you may need their help on future projects. And there you have it. Follow these steps to validate your ideas before investing money. It's always better to build on a solid foundation than to spend on any idea without any backing. Once you completed this step, you'll need to learn how to be able to launch it, which I'll cover in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get more useful tips like these to help your business. I'll see you on the next one.